Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video we're going to have a look at some news articles, a bit of a news roundup really. We're going to have a dig into the fact that a lot of Ethereum whales are purchasing SHIB. We're going to have a look at why they might be doing that. If this sort of content interests you and you enjoy the the videos, then mash up that like button. It really does support the channel and we really do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start at coin market cap, and ultimately we're up 0.66% for the total market cap that now stands the same as yesterday, or very similar to yesterday, at $1.85 trillion. Bitcoin still below 40,000 at 39,811.33, and Ethereum is sat at 2,961.04, up 0.39%. And ultimately, it's green, but it's still down. I mean, we dropped about 6% yesterday. So to be up like less than 1% or 1.23% for Bitcoin, it hasn't sort of, recovered just yet. So am I concerned and worried? No. But do we expect a bigger pullback? Yes. And ultimately, you want to be checking out some of the videos that Nick did earlier on the technical analysis to see, what those numbers are likely to be. But let's sort of get into the news articles. And I want to start with Ripple, which is, has the asset XRP for those of you that are new. And ultimately, we're probably getting to a point now where, it's likely to be 2023 by the time this ends, according to what's being circulated in the media. Now, I'm not perhaps aligned to that. I do think it's going to happen this year, but ultimately, time will tell. I think this is a case of Ripple are doing everything in its powers as a company to move this case along and get everything resolved as quick as possible, and the SEC are doing everything in their power to just delay. And it kind of feels to me, and I don't know what your thoughts are, so do let me know in the comments below. It does feel like they're delaying the inevitable. And I guess what is the benefit to that? So, do let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. And do you are you a skeptic like myself and think there's benefits to delaying it like they're doing? And if so, what are those benefits? Really interested to get your views and opinions. So, they're saying 2023. We'll see how this transitions really over time. It now looks like a resolution will come in 2023, and each day that passes is hurting US citizens who were essentially victims of a rug pull by the SEC. $15 billion in XRP market cap was destroyed the day that the suit was filed, hurting the very people the SEC, say that they're here to protect. So ultimately, some really telling and damaging words said towards the SEC. Do let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on this never-ending case. Interested to know. Okay, and then moving on, and this is an interesting one for me, because ultimately Nick and myself, we aren't into projects that don't have a use case. And I would have said initially Shiba Inu kind of fell under that to some extent, but here's 3 reasons why Ethereum whales are consistently buying Shiba Inu tokens. So it was recently announced that the largest addresses on the market are buying billions, and that is crazy, billions of SHIB. It's important to break down exactly the reasons why they're doing this. The first reason is whales' desire to take control of the asset's circulation, with Shiba Inu remaining the biggest USD valued position among Ethereum whales. The second reason is that SHIB lost 70% of its value since all-time high, which makes it makes the risk-reward ratio in the event of another rally, really appealing for investors. And third, 𝗕𝗔𝗪 has meme potential. And basically this means that it doesn't really need any fundamental reason to shine or go on a rally. So I think all three of these reasons coupled together is what's being articulated in this article as the reason why whales are purchasing so much 𝗕𝗔𝗪. Now, I think there's probably a fourth reason. I think there'll be some sort of use case or something that, you know, perhaps we're not aware of right now that is perhaps either coming or is being built to basically give 𝗕𝗪𝗪 some underlying fundamentals. But, you know, it'd be interesting to see. I'm always a cynic when I see these things. I kind of feel like there's a lot of insider trading happening, you know, all around the world. Another big piece of news that I wanted to cover off in today's video, again, I think something that people should be aware of, and that is that Cardano announces a partnership to integrate on-chain KYC in compliance with regulatory requirements. BlockPass is the app that they're going to be utilizing, I'm led to believe. And ultimately, you know, this is a fantastic piece of news because, you know, they're going about their business in a very compliant regulatory sort of, from a regulatory standpoint anyway, in you know, going about it all in the right way. And I really like to see this. Fills me with confidence about the investment that I've made in Cardano. And ultimately, you know, I think that's pretty.
And guys, this video has been sponsored by 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 and specifically the Cardano ADA pool. If you are looking to support the channel and our effort here to communicate out all the recent kind of news, articles, price changes and price action of your favorite altcoins, then there's no better way than delegating your ADA into our stake pool. By doing so, you'll not only support the channel, but you will also earn a juicy return and a nice passive income on your ADA holdings. It's really simple to do, guys. Just load up your 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦 or 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗓 wallet, drop your ADA into the wallet, and then find the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 pool via the ticker 𝗕𝗘. In doing so, you'll earn a nice juicy return and support the channel. There is no better time to do so, so why not delegate to 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 today?
Cool. I did pull up the chart for 𝗕𝗪𝗪 to kind of give you a bit of an idea. Obviously, went on this massive tear. It's pulled back 70%. And, you know, there's potential that you're going to see another one of these big sort of rides up like we've already seen. But, you know, you might not. And ultimately, that is the risk to reward. But, you know, the reward could be immense. Moving on, and we've got Grayscale also making a fresh attempt to win approval with the US securities watchdog to again sort of make adjustments to their fund that trades on the Wall Street Exchange. And again, this is a really interesting piece of news. I will drop all of the links to these pieces of news in the description of the video. I think, you know, we've got some very volatile times ahead. Ultimately, you know, you've got to understand the risks in this market. You know, not everything goes up in a straight line, nothing comes down in a straight line. But ultimately, you know, there's going to be probably some more pain before there's the you know, the blow off tops and everything that we're looking forward to. Ultimately, we need to understand what the risks are involved in investing in this space, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Make sure that you're doing your own research and you're not FOMOing in based on anything that any influencer says in this space. Obviously, Nick and myself, we're not financial advisors. This should be treated as educational purposes only. So, you know, just make sure that you go away and you do all that research yourself. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.